What is up, my friends? Welcome back to your average gents. It's your boy Evan. It is summer. There's nothing more comfortable than throwing on your favorite t-shirts. Wouldn't it be more awesome if that t-shirts of you looks freaking mwah on you? In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about the 7 t-shirt hacks that is gonna instantly make you look more badass and stylish when you're wearing it. Without further ado, let's begin. T-shirt hack number 1, and that is to nail the fit. It shouldn't be too long and it shouldn't be too short. The perfect length should end around your mid-crotch. If it goes past your crotch, it is too long, you look like you're wearing a dress. And if you lift your arm and it exposes your belly, then it is too short. Your t-shirt also shouldn't be too baggy. You should feel a little snug around your chest area. The torso area should be a little more roomy to allow the fabric to drape nicely. On to t-shirt hack number 2, and that is all about the sleeve length. T-shirts with long sleeves are always gonna look better than t-shirt with short sleeves because it's gonna be more versatile and it's gonna be a little bit more dressy. You can easily roll up your sleeves if you're feeling hot and roll down your sleeves if you're feeling cold. But if you wanna go with the short sleeves, make sure that the sleeves are not too long. The length of the sleeve should target mid-bicep to give a little biceps and triceps exposure. Pro tip, if your sleeves are too long, roll it up once or twice. By doing so, it's gonna expose more of your arms, making it bigger and more massive. And who doesn't wanna look like they have bigger guns, right? Take note, do not roll it up too high, which makes you look like you're trying too hard to expose your arm. Just mid-biceps is perfection. On to t-shirt hack number 3, and that is to go plain. Go with the t-shirt without any patterns, without any prints, and without any huge logos. Having logos or patterns or graphics, it just looks so tacky and it does absolutely nothing to make you look more mature. It makes you look kind of juvenile and childish. And even if you are an older gentleman, wearing t-shirts with super huge logos or patterns or graphics will just make you look like you're trying too hard to look young. A plain t-shirt with nothing on it will always be stylish and it will never go wrong, and it is gonna be the most versatile option. On to t-shirt hack number 4, and that is to always go classic. Always go for the classic crewneck tee instead of the v-neck t-shirt. I generally do not recommend anyone to wear the v-neck because it just draws too much attention to your chest area. It draws the focus away from your face, and the v-neck just look a little weird. Unless you're like super muscular and you have a humongous chest, it might look good on you. But then again, you'll look like you're trying to show off your chest, especially with a super deep v-neck. Gosh, no! The only time the v-neck is appropriate is if you're wearing it as an undershirt. On the other hand, a classic and simple crewneck t-shirt like this and the black one that I was wearing will always look awesome and will never go wrong. The one that I'm wearing and love is from Uniqlo. It is their classic crewneck short sleeve t-shirts. I'll link it down in the description below. It is super inexpensive, right? It is like 8 SGD or around less than 6 USD. Check it out if you're interested. This is not sponsored, by the way. I wish. If any one of you knows anyone in Uniqlo, you gotta tell them to call me, man. On to t-shirt hack number 5, and that is accessorize. Summer is the best time to accessorize, right? Because when it comes to summer, you really don't have that much options when it comes to clothes. T-shirts and jeans are probably gonna be your staple. There is no layering, so there's not much room for any creativity. So using accessories is a great way to spice up your outfit. Throw on a sick necklace. You can put it outside or you can simply put it inside to give it a little hint. A little tease. Have fun with accessories, right? Put on a sweet watch or put on a ring. Accessories are gonna add a layer of depth to your otherwise bland and boring t-shirt. If you wanna know more about accessories, I did a video on how to accessorize like a badass. I'll link it down in the description below if you wanna check it out. On to t-shirt hack number 6, and that is all about the rest of your outfit. especially your shoes. You gotta understand that t-shirt is the most casual piece of clothing, so the rest of the outfit shouldn't be too formal. For example, it's gonna be a bad idea if you pair your t-shirt with a pair of suit trousers. Never wear a pair of dress shoes for your t-shirt, and don't even wear a pair of loafers with your t-shirt because it just looks off. T-shirts are gonna look the best with your sneakers. Always remember, casual t-shirt, casual outfit. Last but not least, how to look super awesome in a t-shirt. Hack number 7, and that is to work out. Now I have to put this one in, right? Come on, you know this is coming. There's no way around it. When you put on a t-shirt, your body is the clothing rack, right? The more well-structured and fit and toned your body is, the sexier the rack. And the sexier you're gonna look in your t-shirt. Because the t-shirt is the most lightweight top that a man can ever wear. It exposes the most skin. It doesn't give your body any structure, unlike a shirt or a jacket. So how your body looks like is pretty much how you're gonna look like in a t-shirt. So work out, my man. All your clothes are gonna look better on you when you take care of your body. And that is basically it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, because I will be dropping 2 new dope videos every single week, and you don't want to miss it, man. Once again, my name is Evan, you're watching Your Average Gent, and I'll see every one of you in my next video. Bam!